Nobody in the city.
We are currently in downtown Chicago.
Michigan Avenue.
It is so crazy. It is overcast and rainy today, but that usually means there's still people out.
We're by Water Tower Place, one of the most busiest and crowdest place for pedestrian crossing, and there's nobody here.
It's insane, and it's honestly really sad. A lot of the buildings are completely boarded up, and it's just really crazy to see nobody here.
Neiman Marcus? Nobody.
Neiman Marcus. So we're gonna continue just walking. We are practicing social distancing. Oh my God.
Hey everybody, we just now crossed over Chicago Avenue. This is the busiest and the narrowest sidewalk in the city, and there's nobody around. But I'm having fun. I'm here with your pal Grace. She's so funny.
Comment down below if you think he should start his own vlogging channel.
That is Water Tower on a Sunday at 1 o'clock, and there's nobody here.
So
And I'm hungry. Hey everybody, we're at John Hancock. If you look down there, the cheese factory, and nobody around. Ghost Town, USA. Welcome to Chicago. Never, no matter what the guy in Elf says, never grab any gum from the street or underneath a street handrail.
It's not free candy.
It's not free candy. There's nobody on the bus. Look.
No one on the bus.
Nobody on the bus. But the wheels on the bus keep going round and round. Beep. Hello, YouTubers. Now it's raining.
Well, it's been raining like all day, but now it's raining hard.
Yeah. And so we were hungry, and we found this really cool jewel. Biggest jewel I ever seen. Walked in there looking for something to snack on. We found these delicious chips.
They're yellow corn tortilla chips.
Just like restaurant
so
style.
good.
They're so good. And now we're walking back to the car.
Yep.
And the only place that's happening that's busy, it's Jewel Osco.
Yeah, that's the only place that's busy that
Yep.
we've been to. So yeah.
Enjoy the video. Peace out.